Hi, my name is Feinberg and I'm working in the workshop in Weizmann. Let me show you what we do. Please follow me. Here we are making the parts that scientists need for their research.
Weizmann has incredible shop services. If I need some special part made that's, sub-millimeter in its design, and we often do, you have here the most advanced 6 degrees of freedom CNC machines that will laser print the part for you in record time and precision.
I really believe that we bring another dimension to the Institute. We are doing our work in the best way we can with a pinch of love for science.